When you talk about that 5%, that's what a lot of those tend to be focusing on, right? And these are the really high precision tasks, things like I need to do a full site survey, or I need to create architectural drawings that are going to go under certification and review process, right? And things need to be to that level of like millimeter accuracy. And I really don't have a lot of kind of wiggle room there on what I'm creating from these scans, right? Or I need to use this information I'm generating for fabrication, right? I need to be building things to exact specifications. And there's certain, certain things, certain kind of precision and delicate processes that maybe need that higher level of accuracy for fabrication, right? But the feedback we get is that's a very small percentage of what we're doing, right? Those non-precision tasks. And we say non-precision task doesn't mean that there is no precision involved, right? But it's the ones where we have that kind of leeway, and we don't need that high percentage of accuracy. 1% is good enough. Things like the carpentry, tile, HVAC, right? When I need to know how much, say, wood I need for this project, but I've got some wiggle room because I'm going to have cutoffs. I'm going to plan on having kind of those overages, and I don't need that exact measurement. Or when I'm going into site documentation, collaborating, like documenting that life cycle of my build, because I want that historical data, and I really want to be able to go back and reference that, compare things as they progress through the build. We only really get one chance to document on that day, and we may need to go back and reference that years later, right? And having, that's not a precision thing, but it is something we want that complete picture. And, Matterport does a good job of making sure you have that.